Woke up this morning and I heard you cry. Felt like dying just to get away. Can't go on like this for another day. Can't go on like this, whatever. Anyway, you say things are gonna get better. Maybe they will, maybe who can say. Try as I might, I can't keep myself together. Try as I might, whatever. Anyway, you're my sweet light, you're my afterglow, you're my sunny day, whatever. Anyway, it's getting to the point where my memory is faded, innocence is dead, yeah, I've gotten pretty jaded. Like to believe that maybe things can change, like to believe whatever. Anyway, let's get on with it, gotta live with it, it doesn't matter anyway. But it's me, you're my sweet light, you're my afterglow, you're my sunny day, whatever. Anyway, look at you, I can see the truth that lies behind your eyes. It ought to be easy, it's too complicated. It ought to be easy, comes at too high a price. Hearts get broken and the lives get torn. When dreams die hard, dreams get born. Here I am, there you are. If we can't get together, we can't get too far, 'cause things have a way of slipping away. Whatever, anyway, all come crashing down, come crashing down. All come crashing down, it come crashing down. You're my sweet light, you're my afterglow, you're my sunny day, whatever. Anyway, you're my sweet light, you're my afterglow, you're my sunny day, whatever. Anyway, I woke up this morning and I saw you crying. I felt like dying just to get away. Can't go on like this for another day. Can't go on like this.